Welcome back to the channel Motor Authority, Switzerland rocket, about a hypothetical 2026 rocket. If you're passionate about the future of aerospace engineering and space exploration, then this is the moment you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Motor Authority, Switzerland rocket, to your channel for all things cutting edge in propulsion technology and aerospace innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the most anticipated European aerospace marvel, the 2026 rocket that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Now, we're not just talking about any rocket. This is the result of years of collaboration between Swiss aerospace engineers, European agencies, and some of the most forward-thinking private innovators in the space race. What sets this 2026 rocket apart isn't just its sleek design or the materials used, although those are impressive. It's the philosophy behind it. A clean, sustainable, and modular future in space travel. Let's start with the basics. Standing at over 65 meters tall, the 2026 rocket combines composite carbon fiber construction with lightweight titanium alloys, reducing its mass by nearly 20% compared to its predecessor. That's a massive weight saving when you consider the cost per kilogram to reach orbit. But it's not just about weight, it's about performance, too. This rocket is powered by a new generation of hybrid engines that use a combination of green hydrogen and liquid oxygen. These fuels are not only clean burning, but the green hydrogen is produced using hydroelectric power from the Swiss Alps, making this arguably the most eco-conscious rocket ever built. But propulsion is where the real magic happens. The new engine, codenamed Helios X, is a closed-cycle staged combustion engine, yes, like the ones used by the most advanced rockets today, but with a Swiss-engineered twist. The precision machining and fine-tuned burn cycle give it an incredibly high specific impulse, estimated at 460 seconds in vacuum. That's a huge leap in efficiency. The burn rate is optimized through a proprietary nozzle geometry that adjusts slightly mid-flight depending on altitude and pressure conditions, improving thrust-to-weight ratio dynamically. Speaking of dynamic design, the 2026 rocket introduces a revolutionary modular stage separation system. Instead of using explosive bolts or traditional pusher plates, the separation is magnetic. That's right, magnetically controlled fields, powered by supercooled superconductors, provide a silent, shock-free, and reusable method for detaching rocket stages. It's smoother, it's safer, and it makes reusability more reliable. Reusability is no longer a buzzword, it's a necessity, and Switzerland rocket has taken that seriously. The first stage of this rocket is designed to return to Earth using grid fins and retro thrusters, landing vertically on a floating platform in the North Sea. The onboard guidance system is another area where we see Swiss precision at its finest. Using an AI-assisted inertial navigation system, the rocket continuously evaluates its trajectory in real time and makes micro-adjustments faster than any human-controlled system could. Paired with satellite tracking and real-time weather data, the system ensures pinpoint accuracy whether it's placing a satellite into low Earth orbit, sending a module to a space station, or eventually, launching cargo on an interplanetary trajectory. Now let's talk payload. The upper stage of this rocket is designed to carry up to 28 metric tons into low Earth orbit. That includes everything from telecommunications satellites to entire space station modules. But what's truly game-changing is the modular payload bay. The interior configuration can be adjusted within 48 hours to accommodate different mission requirements. That flexibility is essential in today's evolving space economy, where time is money and each mission needs tailored infrastructure. Behind all this innovation is a dedicated team of engineers, scientists, and visionaries based right here in Switzerland. The integration facility in Zurich is a marvel in its own right. Automated robotic arms handle everything from engine assembly to stage integration. AI monitors every step, ensuring tolerances are within a micrometer. Quality control doesn't just happen at the end, it's embedded in every process. Let's not forget the international dimension. The 2026 rocket isn't just a Swiss achievement, it's a European leap forward. Working in coordination with ISA, the rocket is slated for use in several upcoming joint missions. There's already talk of using it for a Mars cargo drop in 2027, followed by an asteroid sample return mission by 2029. These are not science fiction anymore. This rocket is real, it's flying next year, and it's already changing the way space missions are being planned. Of course, no rocket development comes without challenges. The test program has faced its share of delays, especially during extreme weather simulations and re-entry tests. But unlike projects that hide their stumbles, the Switzerland rocket team has been open, transparent, and rigorous in their testing philosophy. Every failure was met with iteration, and every iteration brought them closer to this moment. So, what does this mean for the future? It means access to space is becoming faster, cleaner, and more versatile. It means Switzerland is now a serious contender in the space launch industry. And it means we're entering an era where sustainability and performance are no longer in conflict, they're finally working together. We'll be tracking every stage of this rocket's journey from the final test fires to the maiden launch and beyond. If you're as excited as we are about the future of aerospace and the role Switzerland is playing in it, make sure to subscribe to Motor Authority, Switzerland Rocket. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. We're bringing you behind the scenes, inside the engine bays, and into mission control. This is more than a rocket. This is the future engineered with precision, powered by innovation, and launched with ambition. Thanks for watching.